This app here allows you to generate multiple videos. When I say multiple videos, is multiple videos. You see this one? It is a Seedance 2.0. So the first thing we are going to click here. You click on try. You see? We have, if you like, you will log in. We have video, we have image, audio, and this is where you are going to enter your prompt. Frames to video, images to video. Now you will choose one between this one and this one. You will have to choose one. So what we are going to do, we are going to get a prompt. So we are going to get a prompt here on ChatGPT. Let's get a prompt. This is our prompt here. You copy the prompt, copy it. You will now come here and paste the prompt. If you want, you can add, you can actually add a photo, an image, and now we are going to log in. So after logging in, you will come here, you see, tell us about you, answer a few quick questions, we'll show you the best video tutorial, whatever. Finish it and get 200 bonus credits. Imagine 200 bonus credits just to answer this question, occupation type, you know. So after you have answered that question, you click on next. Yeah, now you continue answering. You know, we are almost done. You just answer the questions. You just answer those questions. It's not hard. How did you hear about us? You just tell them where you heard it. And then you click on get credits. Now you see, thank you for your time. You have earned 200 credits automatically added to your account. Now you will click on got it. And now you will come back there. You see, you have 700 credits. Look at that. 700, guys. This is insane, guys. 700. Huh. Now, here what we are going to do, you are going to click on plus where it is written add. Click add. And it will take you to your photos and videos to take an image. Yes, we now have image and we also have a prompt. Now, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to create a video. And remember, this is a Seedance, guys, 2.0. Now click on here. Wait, let's see what it's going to give us. It's generating, guys, and remember we have a lot of credits, So let's wait and see what it's going to give us. It's at 20%. So guys, if you are asking yourself where you're going to get where you are going to get a free AI tool to generate your videos, this is the best place. Yeah, this is the best place that you're going to generate your videos from. It is free and it is very, very easy to use. You see guys, it is done. We are now done. It is done generating. And now what we are going to do, so guys, this is the video that we have generated. Let's see it here. You see guys, that is the video. So what we are going to do again, we are going to get a prompt. We are going to get another prompt. You create you copy. And now, if you're using a desktop, you just click on Try Seedance there. And you can even remove a desktop. Yeah, you can remove a desktop maybe if your site is not good. After that, again, you are going to upload the image. You paste the image there. After pasting the image, you will click on here where it is written 620. Those are your credits. Click on that. After that, now this is the second video, guys. Not hard to use. After you have signed, after you have opened the link that I'm going to pin on my comment section, you will see this interface. Breaking news, Seedance 2.0 is back. Try Seedance 2.0 new. You just click on Try Seedance. After clicking there, this is the interface. You see, this is the interface. Video, image, audio, frames to image to videos, image to videos, prompt, text to video. You have, I had already generated 2 videos and I still have this much credits. So if you are thinking of making videos, consider this Seedance.2. It is very easy to use, very efficient, and you're going to generate as many videos as you want. Yes, so this is not a paid app. This is a very free app that you are going to use to generate your videos for free. You don't need to pay anything. The only thing that you will need is to generate your videos. So guys, I hope this one is going to help you. Make sure that if you see this interface, this is it, because some people will say, I don't know how I'm going about it. This is the interface, guys. So thank you for watching this video.